What's up with y'all, man? Today we got a bike I literally just put together today. A whole nother wheelie bike. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. A lot's been going on, man. I apologize. I ain't been updating y'all on too much for real, but I've been, just getting busy trying to handle business. So I'm looking at this alignment real quick. It looked like it need to. Oh, I didn't even. That's because I didn't even tension the chain. I didn't even do none of that yet. So yeah, we got a 196 on here, man. I took the 196 off that bike, put it on here, man. We about to just. I put a little stage 1 kit on there. I gotta put the filter right there. But yeah, man, I might have just sell this bike. Now we gonna see if we can wheelie it though. I know we can. I know we gonna wheelie this jump. And then I did some updates for this one. I changed the front sprocket again for some more time. I basically re-geared it, and I got a new carburetor on there too. I got a Nibby. So we about to see what this bike do, and we about to see what this bike do. But first we about to start with this bike, because we got tension chain, do all that, and then yeah, I'm gonna just take it for a little test ride, whatever. Bring it back, bring this bad boy out, take this little test ride, whatever, bring it back. This is a brief little video, y'all, but yeah, that's what we getting into today. So yeah, I just put this together in less than like what, 6 hours. I had the whole bike. I took the motor off, I took the 100 off, put a big boy 196 on there. I kept the 35 chain, and I just got a 35 little clutch right there to replace. I had the 420 clutch that it came with, but I'm gonna use that on another build. This my boy's joint. I got some stuff coming for that. My boy really about to be walking that. Y'all think it's hard to wheelie that? Yeah, all right. Wait till my boy get on that. But yeah, we got the exhaust for this jump, and it's gonna fit real good, cause mind you, this exhaust was made for this bike. But you about to see how it looks sweet on this bike though. So yeah. Like, bro, it's never that serious, bro. If I hurt myself opening this jump, bro, I would've got mad, bro. Like I said, this jump really looks sweet on here. It's fine. Yeah, we can. 'Cause it was blowing me. Exhaust is on, man. We ready for testing. Like I said, man, this is a wheelie bike. This jump really nice though. It really looks sweet. I ain't gonna lie. The bike looks sweet. This is the bike right here, y'all. Cool little mini bike, man. This jump ready to hit. Alright, so this one don't even have no kill switch on the motor, because it was off of one of them Comans that ran the lights and all that. So I had to unplug the low oil sensor, and then I had to put a whole new coil, ignition coil right there, so that I can run an actual regular ignition plug to a kill switch, so I could turn the motor off when I wanted to. But hopefully that works and all that. I got it all hooked up, set up. But yeah, y'all about to experience this with me right now, man. Let's get active. Mm-mm. 1 it, but there it go. There you go. I don't know what happened. Whoa. It's okay. I know what it is. It's the, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, whoa. That junk was ready to, what, bro? That junk was about to just, I was about to be like, oh. Whoa. I had to take it out. All right, nose right. Woo. Yeah, it's a wheelie bike. y'all. Exhaust started to, y'all saw that snap, bro? Exhaust definitely. Bro, this chunk. Yeah. Who won it? It's ready. This junk ready, bro. It's ready. It's ready, bro. I almost bust my ass a couple times on this jump, bro. Yeah. I just put this shit together today, bro. Like I said, bro. Who trying to come get this jump? Yeah. I real life do this though. Like I real life do this. That joint hit, bro. Oh my god, that joint hit better than the other one. This joint hit, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, this joint hit better than my other man joint that I just gave him, and his joint hit. This joint, bro. Yeah, bro. Alright, bro. Like I said, who trying to come get this joint? I don't even want this joint because I'm gonna end up busting my ass on the jump. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm gonna end up cooking my shit. Yeah, bro. That jump is ready. Like, I don't even really gotta say too much about that jump. Like, it's good.